Unmatched in toughness and revered for its raw power, the 1974 Diamond Reo Royale Cabover Semi truck stands as an enduring symbol of American trucking heritage. A masterpiece of engineering, this rig had been built for the long haul, with a reputation for strength, reliability, and a design that turned heads on highways across the nation. As a brand with deep roots in heavy-duty trucking, Diamond Reo had a legacy of crafting vehicles that could handle the toughest jobs with ease, and the Royale Cabover had been no exception. Every modification and refinement introduced over the years had only added to its legendary status. Originally, Diamond Reo had been formed from the merger of two historic brands, Diamond T and Reo, creating some of the most durable and well-crafted semi-trucks of the time. By 1974, the Royale Cabover had been among the most advanced in its class, offering drivers an innovative blend of power and comfort. The squared-off cab design had been created with aerodynamics in mind, a forward-thinking approach that maximized efficiency while maintaining an aggressive and commanding road presence. The interior of the 1974 Royale Cabover had been designed with the working driver in mind. Unlike earlier, more utilitarian truck cabs, this model had offered enhanced comfort, with more ergonomic seating, improved dashboard layout, and additional storage options for long-haul convenience. The Cabover engine design had maximized cargo space without sacrificing drivability, a crucial factor in its widespread use among fleet operators and independent truckers alike. For its time, the Royale had provided an advanced level of interior refinement, ensuring that those behind the wheel could stay focused and comfortable, even during grueling cross-country hauls. Under the hood, the Diamond Reo Royale Cabover had been equipped with a selection of powerful diesel engines, including Detroit diesel and Cummins options, which had been known for their exceptional torque and dependability. These engines had been capable of pulling heavy loads effortlessly while maintaining efficiency, making the truck a preferred choice for those needing maximum performance. The multi-speed manual transmissions had been engineered for durability, giving drivers precise control over power delivery in various driving conditions. Despite its strong performance and innovative design, the mid-1970s had been a challenging time for Diamond Reo. The economic downturn and rising fuel costs had placed immense pressure on independent truck manufacturers, and by 1975, the company had faced financial struggles that led to a decline in production. However, the 1974 Royale Cabover had already cemented its place as a classic among truck enthusiasts, and surviving models have become highly collectible in today's market. Currently, restored 1974 Diamond Reo Royale Cabovers have been valued between $2,000 and $60,000, depending on their condition, originality, and mechanical upgrades. Enthusiasts and collectors have been drawn to these trucks for their rugged design, historical significance, and the nostalgia they evoke from a golden era of trucking. Fully restored models, featuring period-correct detailing and original powertrains, have commanded premium prices at auctions and truck shows. Join our passionate community as we celebrate the history, engineering, and legacy of the 1974 Diamond Reo Royale Cabover. Engage with us, share your thoughts, and explore the unforgettable journey of this legendary semi-truck. Be part of this tribute to the roaring engines, bold designs, and unstoppable spirit that defined an era. The story of the Royale Cabover continues to inspire truck lovers around the world, proving that true legends never fade.